In this video, we are going to understand the subtraction trick in which the number of digits in the bigger number is less than the number of digits in the smaller number. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nina and I usually make videos related to Vedic maths. On my channel you can find the videos related to multiplication, subtraction, addition, tricks.
So let us start our today's topic, which is subtraction trick. Okay, so we have learned a lot of subtraction tricks, how to do subtraction from left to right, how to do subtraction by adding zeros. Okay, so how to do subtraction by base number, how to do subtraction from a multiple of a base number. Okay, so in those videos, in the previous videos, if you have not seen, please see my previous videos also for learning more tricks, right? So in the previous videos, what was there, that when we were doing subtraction, so the number of zeros in the bigger number were either less than this number of digits or equal to these digits, right? But now the thing is that if the number of digits is one more than the number of zero, we have learned that number of zeros is less than the digits in the smaller number. We have learned the trick that if number of zeros in the bigger number is equal to the number of digits in the zero, now we will learn that if the number of zeros is greater than the number of we have learned that number of zeros is greater than digits. Now we will learn the trick that if the number of zeros is less than the number of digits in the smaller number. Now you can see that there are 3 zeros but the number of digits are 4. So for that, what we will do, we will use one more trick only. The remaining trick will be same, that subtract all from 9 and the last from 10. That means for the answer, for getting the answer, what you have to do, how you will find out your last digit, the condition is that subtract 10 minus your last digit. This will be your last digit of the answer. That means 10 minus 8. For the remaining digits, what you will use the trick, you will use the trick that 9 minus digit. Okay, so that means 9 minus 3 will be 6, 9 minus 4 will be 5. But when it comes to the first digit, for the first digit, what you will do, you will take the digit, this digit 9 minus 5 plus 1. You will add 1 and subtract it from the this digit. So 9 minus 6 will be what? 9 minus 6 will be 3. Okay, we are using these two tricks earlier also, but the new trick is that you have to use this trick, that you take your this number and do addition of this, means one more than the previous one. Previous one is what? Previous one is my 5. So we have to take it one more, then subtract it from the 9. Okay, so when I have to do subtraction of this. So how I will do? 10 for the last digit, I will subtract last digit from 10. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. I will subtract this digit from 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. This will be also 9 minus 8 will be 1. But for this digit, what I will write down? 7 minus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 will be 3. 1, 1 and 6. This is going to be my answer. Okay, coming to next, third point. So what you will do, you will take these three digits. 10 minus 6 will be 4, then subtract this from 9. 9 minus 3 will be 6. 9 minus 2 will be 7. And for this digit, what you will do, 8 minus 5 plus 1 is going to be my answer. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2, 7, 6 and 4. This is going to be my answer. Okay. So in your practical life, you can use this trick, that all from 9 and last from 10. Whatever trick I have told you, you can use those tricks while using your practical life. Suppose you are having rupees 10 with you, okay, and out of that you have done purchasing of something rupees 8.53. So now how much amount you will have with you? So you have to find out this amount. So for that, what you will do, you will simply do 10 minus 3 will be 7, 9 minus 5 will be 4, and 9 minus 8 will be 1. So this much is the amount you will get when you will do the real life calculations. Okay, so if you are going to use normal maths, then you will get confused while doing calculations, because our mind cannot recognize all the values at one time. So by dividing your values in steps, you will be able to find out your result very fast. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn about how to find out LCM of any given number within few seconds.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So feel free to add your comments in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn about the LCM tricks. Till then, take care and bye bye.